And England are very nearly there now. The skipper to bowl.
22 runs required, and Adam Hollioake has gone for 9. He went for 9 runs against Australia earlier today, 16 against Sri Lanka. So you would say, if you're a betting man, that it favours England now in this situation.
That's a very, very tough ask. That's not what he needed. Anything just beyond the stumps on the leg side, called a wide. He doesn't like it. It was a close call, but that makes the 6 balls into a 7-ball last over, and
yeah, now only 20 required. And MANZOOR ELAHI has scratched around for just 5 runs up until this point. And he's found the boundary there.
Well, suddenly the mood in the stadium has changed completely, and it's the Pakistan supporters who are now beginning to believe once more.
16 runs off 5 deliveries.
Too wide. He's not bowling the line he wants, and straying once more, and again it's got hold of Elahi. He's actually coming up with the goods here.
And he's suddenly come to life. Now only 12 runs needed for victory. I say only, that's a 4 off every ball, but he's made this one into a 6.
Would you believe it? Pakistan then up to 65. Just 6 runs needed. And actually, if they get level on 70, it'll be good enough if they don't lose more wickets. And that's more or less guaranteed it.
It's gone all the way. And Hollioake has been proven to be the most expensive bowler right when he didn't need it. He's bowled admirably throughout the 2 days, but he's getting clobbered in this final over.
Just giving them a little bit too much width.
Pakistan were criticised as coming here with something of a patchwork side, and that was the headlines when the team was announced.
He's a positive man, is Adam Hollioake. He needs to play positive now, just to think, draw himself in, and keep it straight up. It's Elahi who's come good here. Oh, Wasim watches the other end. He must be thrilled.
And Brown has missed it.
Wide ball!
And a wide.
And quite right too.
And that's it. 3 runs. Effectively. And what a disappointing way for it to finish for England. But what delight for Pakistan. After getting beaten comprehensively by England yesterday in the group format, they've come back and won this title, the 2nd time in their history.
70. A very good all-round performance, and how they've improved through this tournament, just like when they won the World Cup.
Well, Wasim Akram on 30, not out. There was another factor. If Wasim Akram had got a strike early in that final over, he would have had to have sat down, but really Elahi had done nothing at the crease until that final over, and really Hollioake going for 23 runs. That was a disaster after Dougie Brown and Fleming had done so well, conceding just 14 runs between them. But a well-deserved victory in the end.
This time like and subscribe the channel please, thanks.